Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be focusing on the Hollyland Lark A1 wireless microphone setup. Now this thing plugs directly into your phone via USB-C or Lightning and basically provides better audio quality, and it lets you put a microphone on your body or someone else's body farther away so you can record some of those audio sounds when you're on the go or however you want to get that done. So what we're going to do today is we're going to look at the website, we'll go through an unboxing, and we'll test it out, see how the audio sounds. If you're here for that, stick around. My name is Connor, and this is where the informal tech reviews live. Okay, jumping straight into the website, you can see here it is a Prime big deal for the Prime sales that they have going on. But basically right now it's $47.90. And now I did get these for free. It's not a sponsored video. I didn't actually get them from Hollyland. I got them from the John Rettinger YouTube channel, or John 4 Lakers. They were hosting a giveaway from their video that was sponsored by Hollyland, and I was fortunate enough to receive a pair of those from the giveaway. Now, on the giveaway topic, we did have a giveaway of our own. Congratulations to the winners. If you missed that video, go and check it out for sure. I did already get those sent out, so we don't have to worry about doing a redrawing or anything. But I do have another pair of Rainio Air 3S Pros around here somewhere, so maybe when we hit another milestone, we'll give away another set. But now, jumping into the website, we can take a peek over here. It does work on iPhone and Android, and this is what they look like. So they're small, little, inconspicuous microphones that use magnets to clip onto your shirt or your jacket or whatever, and they have two different colors, black and white. They look pretty good to me. I got the combo kit in mine. It has the USB-C and the Lightning, but if you wanted just the Duo USB-C kit, that one's even cheaper because it is $32 because it only has one actual input. Now, I don't know why you would need the combo. I guess if you have two phones or you don't know which one you're going to use, maybe you're thinking about buying an old iPhone. I don't know what the decision would be there, but they have a couple different versions in here. And the audio so far to me, it looks pretty good. You can see they do have little puppies that came in the unboxing that you'll be able to check out. Oh, I just dropped it. But you can throw these onto it if there's like some wind noise or anything going on. Definitely, I'm not like an audiophile or a microphone fanatic. You can see I got my little Amazon microphone that I've been using for a long time for the informal tech videos, but basically it's got 3-level noise cancellation. And now they will work with a Windows computer or other devices, but I haven't been able to find any software for like a Windows device or a Mac device. It looks like only currently supported on like the phones, which makes sense because it doesn't talk about computers, but I do know for a fact that the computers can support the audio through them. So there's that, if that's something you care about. Now, it does say up to 54 hours of battery life, but that's going to be using the charging case. I think in one sitting it was 6 or 8. I don't remember for sure, but let me come down to this section. Maybe it'll talk about battery life in here. There we go. 9 hours with noise cancellation off, 6.5 with noise cancellation on. So that's something that's really important if you're going to be filming for long periods of time. I personally don't make videos that long, so it's not super important to me. But I like having the availability of it because a lot of times I get out to recording with the truck and different things like that. So making sure that I'm able to still hear when I'm outside is going to be really important. Normally I kind of have my audio go through the glasses. Oh, also I do have the new Oakley Meta Houstons, I think is how they're pronounced, the HSTNs. They are pretty awesome so far, so definitely stick around for a video like about those. One note I'll make right away is they're definitely a little bit heavier than the other version of the Gen 1 Ray-Ban Metas, but I think that's probably good for the website. Let's jump into an unboxing. We can take a peek at these reviews really quick. It's 4.6 out of 5. It looks like people are pretty happy with them. The AI overview mentions that the battery life is a positive, which is super important. But some people mention there's some Bluetooth connectivity issues. I haven't had any issues with it personally yet, but we'll get to the testing portion and see how they do. So let's right now jump over to the unboxing, and then we'll talk about them again and see how they feel. All right. Okay, so for the unboxing, it looks like they have some plastic wrap kind of around this, and so gotta peel this off, and then you can see the box has lots of information on it, all the usual warnings and things like that. Some plastic down here to pull off I'm really bad at this plastic. But once you get it open, you lift this up, greeted with the usual books and stuff. Do we want to open this up? No, probably just go ahead and plug and file these. Now the device itself is wrapped, so that's a nice touch. Keep it extra safe. Pop it open, got the Hollyland wording on here. And then the device is in here. I do have the combo version, so it's got a Lightning and a USB-C, but let's check out this, what is it, a carrying case for it. See what's inside here. Looks like it's got a USB-C cable for it, so that's how you'll charge it up. And then there was also, inside this bag, the actual little fuzzy things that go on the microphone. But yeah, that's it. It was QR code. That's the Hollyland Lark A1s. What do you think? Is this something you would want to pick up? Don't forget to use the link in the description or the comment section, because that does support the channel. We greatly appreciate it if you do. I actually really like them. I think they're pretty cool. What's really awesome is they're going to maybe be able to replace my microphone. We'll see, because for this video, surprise reveal, I've actually been using it right here this whole time, and that's where the audio for this video is being recorded. So as far as our test goes, this video is going to be the test. Granted, it's not using the application on the phone, and so it doesn't have any of those noise cancellation features or anything going on. But let me know what you think. How does it sound? This is when it's being used in my Windows computer, where I do a lot of my recording, and so this is a good test to see how they sound. Granted, I didn't pay for this, so I can't say if it's worth it for the money for me. It was one of those things that I didn't know I needed until I saw it, and I was like, that's going to be perfect for the channel, so I went and picked one up. But now I'm kind of wishing that I would have got the more upgraded version. So Hollyland, if you're watching, reach out. We can always do another video if you guys want to sponsor one. But yeah, that's all I got for today. Definitely let me know if you guys pick a set of these up, and if you make something awesome, shoot it my way. My contact information is on the page. Definitely excited to hear from you guys, or drop a comment. Let me know what you think. As always, my name is Connor. Appreciate you guys watching. And this was Informal Tech. We'll see you next time. Peace.